Okay, so I have created my song here on this Create Your Own Recording website, and what I want to do is I'm going to want to post it onto Seesaw, but I want you to be able to hear my song. So I need to click on this little icon that's on your screen that's called Awesome Screenshot. It's this little rainbow color guy right here that has the circle, and if I hover over it, it says Awesome Screenshot in Screen Recorder. So I'm going to click on that and make sure that it has access to the microphone, and you're going to want to save the video to local because that'll save it onto your Chromebook. It'll be a lot easier for you to post to Seesaw if you're saved to your Chromebook. So you want to save to local, and then you're going to want to make sure the microphone is on so it can hear you. You don't need to have the embedded camera, because if the embedded camera turns on the camera on your screen that looks at you, unless you want somebody to be able to see you as you're recording your screen, you don't need to have that turned on. So then you hit Start Recording. And it wants to say, do you want just the application window or everything that's on your screen? And you can have your entire screen, and you're going to hit share, and it's going to say recording starting in 2, 1. So now it's recording my screen. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to play my song. So now that it's all done, I want to click where it says stop sharing at the bottom, and I'm going to bump the stuff when I do it. So then I'll click on this stop sharing, and it just saved the video. So now what you need to do, it's temporarily saved under My Local Recordings. So what you want to do now is you want to download. So you're going to click download, and it's going to ask you if you can download. So I'm going to hit allow. It might not ask you. Some people don't, but it's just going to say what it is that you're saving, and then you'll just click save. And once that's saved, then you'll go into Seesaw, and you'll do that from ClassLink. You'll go to your Seesaw. If I go over here to ClassLink, I can go to Seesaw here. Then I'll have me logged in already. And I'm going to click add. Make sure you're in the correct class. I'm on the correct class for me. So I'm going to hit post student work, or post my work, and then I'm going to click upload. And then I'm going to select from computer. And it was a recent download, so I'm just going to do the one which is create your own music, and hit open. And there's my video. So then I click, well, if I want to do a caption, I can do a caption, and I'll say, this is my song that I composed myself. And as soon as I'm done with that, I will click the green check mark to save it. And I have to pick which student, but when you post to yourself, you want to pick which students it is because it'll just be for you. Then I'll do the check mark, and it will post it right there. So then I could click. So now it's recorded, and I can take the video. So that's what you got to do to record a video using Awesome Screenshot to post to Seesaw.